Okay, y'all, I'm so excited. I just have to share. I've been waiting 3 or 4 weeks to give y'all a tour of the upper garden with the new veggie beds, but I think we're ready to do it now. They're all planted. The seeds are coming up. We have Juliet Roma tomatoes here. We have kale and chard over here in this bed coming up. We have bush beans here. We have bush beans there. Jim and I really love okra. So we've got a big bed here of okra coming up. And we're also trying something we saw on social media, which is a long okra that supposedly can grow longer and still be soft enough to eat. And then we have the standard Clemson spineless okra. Then over here, Jim has always wanted asparagus, as did I, and we bought some roots. And look what I saw today. Do you see it? We have 2 tiny little asparagus sprouts coming up. So that's pretty exciting. And over here, we have some bell peppers. One of them is the shishito sweet pepper, and the other set are the Bonnie green bell peppers. So I had planted some bell pepper seeds in here before, and it just didn't take. So I had to go to the box store and get some live plants. Over here, we have sweet early peas. And I'm not sure how long the sweet early peas will last in the heat this summer, but it's pretty exciting to see them come up. And we have peas here. Gosh, I'm so excited. And then over here, we have Better Boy tomatoes growing in here. So I think total, I have maybe 40 to 42 tomato plants. So Jim said, yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of canning and dehydrating and eating this summer. These beans are rattlesnake beans. Apparently the bean pods grow really long, and so they sort of resemble rattlesnakes, hence the name. More peas in that bed. Over here we have some more rattlesnake beans. I had a massive amount of beans seeds to plant, so I just decided to go all whole hog with those. And over here, I had planted some tomato seeds and didn't think they were coming up. Well, guess what I'm seeing today? The little spots where I had planted the previous tomato seeds are coming up. But I'd already gone ahead and bought some more tomatoes from Wally World. And so we're going to have tomatoes plus tomatoes in this bed. And we have big beef tomatoes here. And over here, more rattlesnake beans. So it looks like they're coming up pretty good. Over here, I have cucumbers on the back half of the bed, and they seem to be coming up pretty good. And these were seeds that I just saved from a cucumber I bought from the grocery store. And then over on the left-hand side, I have, oh, they may be cucumbers too. I may have 2 big beds of cucumbers. Yeah, I think that's what it is. And over here I have a bed of cucumbers. So we should have cucumbers enough to make pickles and salads all day. Over here I have butternut squash plants. You know, this was just let's see if I could grow them. And they were from seeds that I collected from a squash that I had bought last year. Over here is honey squash. So you can see they're coming up pretty well. More cucumbers in this bed. I bought some yellow crookneck squash, so those are coming up pretty well. And then last year I tried to grow loofah, and it was a complete failure. And I think it's mostly because the weeds took over and sort of sucked all the energy away. But I am getting some little seedlings there. So I may definitely have some loofah this year. Loofah up against the cattle panel, and then I have, and they had these at the box store, and I never seen them before. There are some green zucchinis, but there's also some yellow zucchinis, and I don't know what's the difference between a yellow zucchini and a crookneck squash. So I guess we'll find out. And over here, I planted a bunch of turnips. You see the little seedlings coming up. And I have birdhouse gourds over here up against the cattle panel so they could grow up and over. And I have some more zucchini over here and some more birdhouse gourds here up against the fencing. And Jim this year wanted to try a potato tower. So we alternated dirt and straw, and we had potato seedlings, or sprouts, I guess, in the pantry that we had been saving from last summer's crop, as well as potatoes we had bought from the grocery store. So you can see it's definitely taking. So here's a wide view of the large vegetable garden. And you could see just how absolutely all this hard work is coming to fruition now. And I'm hoping by the end of the summer, we will have so much food that we'll be able to share with friends and family and be able to give of the stewardship of our land. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching.